Asuntoskeft Johannalinna, Koulutie 2 or Koulutie 1 in Ylöjärvi. Staircase 8, third floor. D1985 VS 6959. Ground floor. Four-person 325 kilograms. Third floor. Expected device built maintained by Valmet technical. Ground floor. I can film the other staircase later, or maybe I can film other one now, but other ones later. That's